ABCD!
Hey everybody, Three Gun Guy here. Today we are going to install the rugged hardcover truck bed liner. And before we do, I just wanted to show you how this actually came to me. So there's some damage to the box there, and it doesn't look like any damage to the bed cover, but we'll see. Then over here on this side, got some more tears down here. Again, doesn't look like there's much damage, but we'll find out. And we're going to go ahead and install this on my Ford F-150 here that I just got back. I did a review on this truck, so this is the truck it's going on. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see how it's going to fit. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it got damaged, so we'll see. We do have the instructions here, so we're going to place it on the front of the truck bed. Place the dust seal between the cab and the truck bed. Now this is an important step here, because I've seen some videos where apparently this seal is like underneath, so people don't flip it out and make sure that it's between that. Undo the tie down straps, unfold the cover, secure it, level it up, and then we'll see how it fits. One other thing that I'm going to do, and just so you know, and I'll point this out later, the one reason I got this type of a cover, I did not like the draw release of other covers. I wanted a clamp with a lever on it. So I'll talk a little more about that later. But right now, let me get this undone. I'll go ahead and mount it up on the truck, and then we'll go from there. So this is what I was talking about. This goes in the front, and as you can see, it's kind of bent, flipped over here. So make sure that when you put this on, this flap goes out. It goes over the bed. I'll show that to you once I get it on as well. That looks like it's pretty straight on there. So now what I'm going to do is roll it back up very carefully and then attach the two bolts at the front. Okay, so one thing I like about this new model is, for example, everything is here. So it's not like you have different external clamps and stuff that you have to screw with. Everything is right here. So for example, I'm just pulling this down, and then the clamp is just going to come up onto the bed of the truck, or the overhang here for the bed. Now, another thing that they give you that I like is they give you these clamps, or these hooks that hook onto your bed, and then I'll cinch these up. But basically, they hold this thing down too. So if something happens with the latches, whatever, your top will still stay secured. So that's another nice thing. Let me get this thing tightened up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we've got it mounted. Now let's just pull back the clamps, pull this down. I'm going to bring it over. Looks like I've got to adjust it a little bit here. So it's just underneath. Going. Probably one more, maybe. Let's see now. Bring it out one. Oh, okay. Wrong way. Got to release it first, then adjust it. There. That makes more sense, I guess. There's that one. There's that one. So that's pretty much done. Cover's on. Okay, real quickly, I just wanted to show you, this is the flap I was talking about, okay, right? Let's see if I can get this. Right here. See this flap? That's what I'm talking about. You got to make sure that that is over the bed, right? Because it's flipped back underneath here, and if it's not over the bed, then you're going to get water up in there. It looks like the seal here is pretty tight, so I don't think you have to worry about any additional seals. All right, I just wanted to show you that. That took all of about 5 minutes, actually. Really look at it. Looks like it's pretty leveled up. I think it looks good. See how the door closes here. Yep, door's closed now. See how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. It's not that tall. Actually, you know, I kept hearing it was like 2 inches and whatnot, but I don't know that that's 2 inches. I'd say that's more like a 1.25 inches or so. But I think it looks pretty good on the back. Yeah, I think it looks good. Like I said, 5 minutes to install. And look guys, if someone wants in the bed of your truck, they're going to get in the bed of your truck, right? They're going to take a crowbar and they're going to go underneath this thing and get into it. But to just protect things when you're moving things about, I think it's a good value. I think this was $8.20. The other thing I liked about it was the top is kind of more of a coated aluminum. So a buddy of mine had another brand and it really scratched up on him by putting things on top. Plus the panels are sandwiched, so it's not just one little sheet of aluminum or whatever, right? So they're, you know, I feel pretty confident I could put some stuff on top of here. I'm not going to stand on it. Well, that's it for the installation and quick review of the Rugged Cover 2. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'm sure this thing's gonna give me some years of good use. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Shoot straight.